The manipulator pitney, you can't stop nobody.
Manipulate is the word. Yeah.
Against her, that's
pick me money and them off.
the woman boy, you're going to come
Me can't make you make no money. Me no business with you and the people them where you scam and a rob. RT, leave me alone.
RT, hold on now, please.
Oh, you pronounce
RT,
it.
did you set our child against her?
Oh, yes, pronounce your name, darling.
Shads.
Shads. Okay, Shads. Me always want to pronounce it. Shads. All right. What you come over here come tell us?
Now I'm asking you a question. Did you manipulate her child against her?
I tell her, man,
Dad, we know you're a journalist and you're good at it. You can't have, when people come here and analyze story, you can't dig in if you know you ask me. Nothing no go so. Oh, you feel let me manipulate big smarty where me I get $3,000 a week where I work with.
God almighty.
The daughter they right beside me and listen. When me come for talk, the woman will tell you, say, yes, she fuck with me. I'm going to fix up her blood clot and mash her up, but she can't go in and get no work and she in and out of hospital and doctor pronounce her with cat.
And the daughter, they right this side here, you are say, do all of that to the mother we bring forth her.
The mother sick and can't get the help.
The daughter must know you go do her worse than you do her mother for her time soon.
No, no way I go pussy. You hear me, I tell you, me no have no way I go.
So RT, is it that you're trying to say her daughter is present while you're mashing
Yeah,
up her
right
mouth?
side of him, yeah.
Right
Every
side
time
of
him a disrespect me, should have right there.
That's the most simple shot. Disrespect him. Can't work no obey upon nobody. Stop listening to this. Don't the stupid retarded man.
With disrespect, not work. If RT, you know, him that is secret should have come out. Him never have to molest people. Him would have get it easy before that is good.
And every time this man just come and disrespect me and disrespect me, I'm not doing
nothing.
nothing.
Oh, you can't sleep at night time and think they will happen to you so they have an understanding. You can say, more be a fake.
Mother love make she time because she can't release 9 months. She can't her and her kidney could have really make a battle and nurture.
16 years old at Mugava. 16. Why are you about the crocodile tears? Make your wicked son.
Did you try to reconcile with your child?
Reconcile with her? Reconcile with who? Hey, dirty girl. Dirty drunk. Tell the people themselves jealous over me calling a man no one. You're drunk. You're too wicked. You think you're anything to me, girl. You think you're anything to me. Me not do nothing. Me not do nothing. You chat to me. I will leave you alone.
Cry, baby.
Me not leave you alone.
Him couldn't get a your water from me. Drop your water for your breast and bring your daughter to God. And she shall feel the end of you.
A long time can't do it. I'm going right now. You're too wicked. I'm going right now.
Somebody said
right now, I'm strip naked. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you, Andrea.
Why she take long for dead though? That me realize.
Jesus Christ.
RT, the best thing,
February 23rd, 1974.
People, them have been so bad for the RT. Can I comment? All right, guys. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put an end to this right now. I think it's kind of going too far at this point. We're gonna understand. So now take this thing for sure. But I think I need to depend on nobody's platform. Everyone, I'm gonna.